Welcome to the investment markets overview for the week ending the 25th of March 2022. Two currencies deserve close attention currently, but for different reasons. Let's take a closer look. Both charts, the left-hand one being the dollar-US Russian ruble exchange rate and the dollar-yen on the right, demonstrate weakness against the dollar when rising towards the top right side of the charts. The ruble has collapsed in value as international financial sanctions are imposed against Russia, just as it did during 2014 when Russia annexed Crimea and despite it being a petrocurrency. Meanwhile, the yen has weakened substantially of late, just as it did in 2014, which may have something to do with Japan's near-total. The overview includes the performance statistics for the main stock indices, which were mixed, as were the commodities covered, whilst sovereign bond yields and the cryptocurrencies were higher across the board. Meanwhile, for the regions, we remind that US new home sales and the 30-year mortgage rate are negatively correlated. UK CPI projections following this week's spring statement point to double digits. Whilst out east, China house and car sales are falling. We started with two paper currencies that deserve close attention. And we'll end with two alternative ones, gold and Bitcoin, which are rising in value towards the top right of the charts. From a macro standpoint, it's important to remind of the limited supply in respect of gold and Bitcoin, whilst the 24/7 printing presses churn out unlimited amounts of fiat paper. Furthermore, Russia is happy to accept Bitcoin for its natural resources whilst stating that Western countries should pay in hard currencies, meaning gold. A final performance table for the major stock indices since the year 2000 concludes the investment markets overview. A one-month trial of this 40 times per year publication is available for less than $15, or the price of just one decent cup of coffee per week. It's an ideal opportunity to grab the bargain discount for 4 publications. We strive to turn the technical into plain-speaking observations, backed up by factual charts and context. Join us for a guide through the maze of economic and market data via the weekly 5-page overview.